and welcome to our channel. My name is Aishwarya and today's video is on World Ocean Day. This video is tributed to the endangered marine animals. World Oceans Day is recognized every year on June 8th. The idea of the day was originally suggested in 1992 by ICOD and OIC at the Earth Summit, UNSCD in Rio, Brazil. However, the day was officially recognized by the UN in 2008. The main objection of World Oceans Day is to bring the public interest towards the ocean and its resources for the worldwide sustainable implementation of the ocean and its resources. The day intends to showcase the different resources we receive from the ocean, as well as the different threats that are faced by the ocean. Every year, the UN selects a theme for this annual World Oceans Day. Today, we have taken a topic, endangered marine animals. Let's take a look at in details. Green sea turtle. Green sea turtles are found worldwide primarily in subtropical and temperate regions of the Atlantic, Pacific and the Indian Ocean and in the Mediterranean Sea. They weigh up to 240 pounds to 700 pounds. Adult green sea turtles grow up to 1.5 meters, that is 5 feet long. They eat a wide variety of plant and animal life, including insects, crustaceans, seagrasses, and sponges. Green sea turtles are threatened by overharvesting of their eggs, hunting of the adults, being caught in fishing gear, and loss of nesting beach sites. It is originally listed as endangered in 1978. Green sea turtles are thought to live for 60 to 70 years. According to the Sea Turtle Conservancy resource, the total population size of nesting green sea turtles is around 85,000 to 90,000 individuals. Overall, currently, this species is classified as endangered on the IUCN Red List and its numbers today are decreasing. They are mostly killed for medicine and some traditional ceremony. Blue whales. The blue whale is a marine mammal belonging to the baleen whale which live in the northern hemisphere. Blue whales can be seen regularly in the Gulf of St. Lawrence and off the coast of Monterey, California and Baja California, Mexico. It is the largest animal known to have existed. Females can weigh up to 180,000 kg, whereas males can weigh up to 150,000 kg. Blue females can grow up to 25 meter and blue males can grow up to 24 meter. The primary diet of blue whales is krill, tiny shrimp-like animals and copepods are the part of the blue whale's diet. Several factors contribute to whales' current endangered status, such as overfishing, pollution, lack of rich construction, private or commercial boating, and commercial whaling. Still, commercial whaling has had the largest effect on the endangered status of today's whale populations. Blue whales can live up to 80 to 90 years. Blue whales are still endangered species and there are thought to be no more than 25,000 living in the world today. Blue whales are killed every year because some people want to make money from selling their meat and body parts. Their oil, blubber and cartilage are used in pharmaceuticals and health supplements. Whale meat is even used in pet food or served to tourists as a traditional dish. Giant devil ray. Giant devil ray are commonly found in the Mediterranean and Eastern Atlantic. Whistling pygmy devil ray prefer the Indian Ocean and Western Pacific. They weigh up to 1,600 kg. At majority, the giant devil rays will measure out at an average of 6 to 9 feet wide but can continue to grow to a max of 17 feet. Giant devil ray eat tiny marine organisms, including microscopic plant plankton, small fish, and crustaceans. Devil ray are under threat from fishing, boat traffic, habitat decline, and pollution at varying level of concern. With the giant devil ray currently listed in endangered on the IUCN Red List. Their lifespan is up to 20 years. The population is up to approximately 3,000. They are killed for their weight, which is estimated to be worth $30 million.
Hector's dolphins. Hector's dolphins are found only in the shallow coastal waters along western shores of New Zealand's North Island. They weigh up to 110 pounds and grow up to 4 feet. Hector's dolphins are carnivorous. They usually feed in shallow waters with sandy bottom, consuming various species of fish such as flounder, red cod, and mackerel, completing its diet with crabs and squids. Living close to the shore is a problem for the Hector's dolphins. Bycatch, meaning becoming tangled in recreational and commercial gill and trawl nets, are the biggest threat they face. Other threats include being struck by boats, pollution in the habitat, coastal development, and seabed mining. Hector's dolphins live approximately up to 22 years, and there are only estimated to be 55 Hector's dolphins in the world. Hector's dolphins' deaths occur due to entanglement or capture in gill net or trawls, and they are killed accidentally every year.
Fin whales. The fin whale, also known as finback whale or common rorqual and formerly known as herring whale or razorback whale, is a cetacean belonging to the paleorder of ballan whales. It is the second largest species on Earth after the blue whale. Fin whales are typically found in deep offshore waters of all major oceans, primarily in temperate to polar latitudes. Adults can weigh up to 48,000 kg and adults can go up to 18 to 20 meter long. Fin whales eat herring, caplin, and sand lance. Like other large whales, the fin whale was heavily hunted during 20th century. As a result, it is an endangered species. Fin whales can live up to 90 years. The entire world population of fin whales is estimated to be around 100,000. Hunted by commercial whalers until the last century for oil, meat, and balance. Like other large whales, fin whales are threatened by environmental change including habitat loss, toxics, and climatic change. Ganges river dolphin. The Ganges river dolphin can only live in freshwater and in essentially blank. They weigh up to 330 to 374 pounds. They grow big up to 7 to 8.9 feet. The Ganges river dolphin has a carnivorous diet which includes a large variety of fish and invertebrate animals. The habitat of Ganges river dolphin is within the most densely populated area of the world can be the dolphin, and people boost favor areas of the river where fish are plentiful and the water current is low. This has led to few fish for people and more dolphins dying as a result of accidentally being caught in the fish nets, also known as bycatch. They live approximately 18 to 22 years. The population is around 1,800. The Ganges River dolphin is still hunted for meat and oil, which are both used medically. The oil is also used to prepare catfish in net fishery.
Spear-tooth shark. The spear-tooth shark is an extremely rare species of river shark. It inhabits the coastal marine waters and tidal reaches of large tropical rivers in northern Australia and New Guinea. Despite being a member of a river shark genus, it is also found in near-shore marine waters, favoring highly turbid environments over a wide range. Spear-tooth sharks usually weigh around 867 pounds. They grow up to 2.6 meters, which is 8.5 feet. Spear-tooth sharks are carnivores that feeds on the fish such as gobies, gudgeon, threadfish, grouper, and prawns. The spear-tooth shark is not known to pose any danger to humans. They are occasionally and incidentally caught by commercial fisheries and are often eaten, used to bait crab pots or even discarded. Habitat degradation is also a significant threat to the well-being of the species. They live up to 20 to 30 years old. Its global population has been estimated to number no more than 2,500 mature individuals, with no more than 250 in any subpopulation. Spear-tooth sharks are killed for their meat.
Hammerhead shark. Hammerhead sharks love tropical, warm waters from all over the world. They mostly stay along continental shelves and coastlines, but on occasion they are found in deep ocean crescent near the surface. Hammerhead shark can weigh up to 230 kg and they grow up to 4 meter. Hammerhead sharks eat sea catfishes, lobsters, sardines, toadfishes, groupers, porgies, crustaceans, herrings, croakers, boxfish, octopus, and even smaller sharks. More than 90% of great hammerheads die once they are captured by targeted or incidental fisheries. This high mortality rate, along with the shark's coastal habitat and highly valued fin, they may live up to 44 years or more. Among hammerhead species, only giant hammerhead sharks are under treat. They are killed for their unique heads and are used as a weapon when hunting down prey. Atlantic bluefin tuna. Atlantic bluefin are warm-blooded, a rare trait among fish, and are comfortable in cold water of Newfoundland and Iceland, as well as the tropical water of the Gulf of Mexico and the Mediterranean Sea. They weigh up to more than 150 kg. They grow big up to 6.5 feet. They eat various ocean life such as small fish, squid, crabs, lobsters, and other crustaceans. Rampant overfishing of tuna, in particular bluefin tuna, has led to a sudden collapse of the species. They live up to 40 years. The population is 40,000. It is a very popular dish all over the world, and this is one of the reasons for its current situation. Other reasons for this are overfishing and not knowing about its life cycle.
Vaquita. The vaquita is a species of porpoise endemic to the northern end of the Gulf of California in Baja California, Mexico. They weigh up to 120 pounds. Vaquitas grow up to 4.9 feet, whereas the male vaquitas grow up to 4.6 feet. Vaquitas are generalists, foraging on a variety of demersal fish species, crustaceans and squids, though benthic fish such as grunts and croakers make most of their diet. Predation on vaquita by sharks. However, the biggest threat still towards vaquita are fisheries. Vaquitas can live up to 22 years, and it is estimated that there are only 19 vaquitas in the world. Vaquitas die from entanglement in illegal gill nets and illegal trade of swim bladders to China. Thank you for being with us, and see you in the next video.